I'm just wondering, Mfana, I'm not too sure why Pirates release him. I mean, I know with the boy who legs, ngikhuluma nge-game time, ku-Pirates bebangamniki game time, but he's a development player, Orlando Pirates. Age-based society lakhe. Not been given enough, I think, a chance. Kunabulbitso whereby they are injured. They are not Pirates development players. Ngichaza ukuthi akusama player aba-investe kiwo. So I'm surprised why they release him. It doesn't make sense. But ila ama-agent adlala indima enkulu for me in South African football. We need to be realistic. Kaizer Chiefs, they were supposed to go and do a proper research for a player bazolithola, a hungry player who still want to achieve things individually, him as a player, who want to go into the national team and be a regular player, go to Europe, win things with Chiefs. I think if with the proper research, proper scouting, proper research, bebangalithola lelo player. Not to say aliko likhona. It was a matter ukuthi bathuma bani ayolithola lelo player. Bringing uMonyane, I'm not too sure about his injuries. Ngoba bengibona ku-Pirates uyabuya and then there's injury. Uyabuya there's injury. I'm not too sure. I need to be honest. For
not
me,
convinced.
I mean, I'm going to question mark.
Is it better than Solomon's Frosler at right back?
More or less the type of player, because tactical, both three of them are concept. Because you are a proper, you are a good defender. Mhlambe ngisho ukuthi mangizothi uMonyane is a very good right wing back. Must master primary job yakhe to defend, not to attack. Wonke labantu ababalile they good going forward with the ball. But when it comes to defend, they are poor, all of them. They can't deal. Ngisho uMdawu mina lo Sundowns. If you ask me about uMdawu, I can say he's one of the best right back or one of uyangazi uyangithola.
On the continent of Africa.
Yes, bese ngithi Dino van Rooyen.
Exactly.
It's number 2. So a primary job he must start. He can deal in 1v1. He's got the balance, he's got speed. If he's on speed, he can deal on court. I'm just gonna say he can deal on Mfokeng, these two type of players. So uMonyane primary job yakhe nginenkinga naye ngaye. So it's like mina basase nawo Solomon because he runs like Solomon exactly. So if bebangekho, I mean njoba ngisho if they were not lazy Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukwenza research bebazolithola player.
Opa made you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.